Respected correspondent madam, HM sir, in charge madam, teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all. I am Srinena from 6th B. Today we are going to perform the skit about unity. Here we can see the fingers of hand are quarreling each other. That who is greatest?
Hello, I am Tham. I am great because people use me to sign and also to say keep it up.
No. I am index finger. People use me to show signals.
No, I am the tallest. I am great and I am the middle finger. No, I am the tallest. I am great and I am the middle finger.
No. How can you say that? I am very beautiful because people are wearing rings on me.
I guess I have to solve this problem. I take a plate and keep this apple on the plate. You come one by one and pick up the apple. I will start with you. Next. Okay, now come together and pick up the apple. See, that's amazing.
This is easy for me. No, this is not possible with me. This is easy for me. No, this is not possible with me. This is easy for me. No, this is not possible with me. This is easy for me. No, this is not possible with me. This is easy for me. No, this is not possible with me.
You must understand that you are very important. Then you all are together. It was you are united. You must understand that you are very important. Then you all are together. It was you are united. Unity is strength.